Meaning of haka.
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 Haka. Haka is a traditional Maori dance from New Zealand that is performed by both men and women. It is a powerful and energetic display of strength, courage, and pride that serves as a way to connect with the land, ancestors, and community. The dance is accompanied by strong rhythmic chanting, stomping, and hand gestures, and often includes tongue protrusions and bulging eyes. The haka has become a famous symbol of New Zealand culture and is commonly performed at sporting events and other celebrations to demonstrate unity and respect.